Okay.
It's just like little style. Take a picture.
He's taking a video.
I'm taking one. Mommy, where are we at?
Krispy Kreme. Can't you tell?
On a Sunday night?
On Sunday night. They are never going to sleep.
What do you mean sleep? Isn't it the middle of the day?
Oh no, it's 6 o'clock.
6:30?
Yeah. Why, hello, close up doesn't really fit. Yes?
What do you want me to say? Hi, Riley. Hi, to you. Want to say hi to all the grandmas and other family out there that are going to see this video?
Yeah.
Say hi.